folks, and welcome back to another lesson. We're doing Old Scratch Blues off Jack White's new album, and we are using one pedal only, a new B-Tronics tuner fuzz. It's a single knob fuzz in a tuner can. It's brilliant. I've got the stinker knob, which is what it's called, on the pedal set to about halfway, but it cleans up really nicely on the guitar's volume. So volume up full is for the second fuzz tone. But then if you roll it right the way down, you get all that stuff, right? So that's all I'm using for that. Let's crack on with the first riff. We're in standard tuning, so nothing weird and wonderful going on there. And we've got this little blues riff to start with, funnily enough. So you're repeating the same phrase twice, really, just one octave lower. So we start off with the low E, then you slide up to the 9th fret. Use your second finger. Subtle bend there. Then we have another slide. And you're going to pull off to the open string. And then you move your fingers down 2 frets. So that's the first part. And you'll see after this note, there's a bit of an open G there, but it's not plucked. It's just byproduct of him taking his fingers off the strings, right? Here you can use your little finger. Or your third finger, up to you. Same here with this little slight bend. Again. Another pull off there. And around again. Then we're into the verse, right, which goes like this. Okay, you're going to play this round twice, but we have a 4-bar phrase. Again, subtle bend there. Here we have. So palm mute, strike, palm mute. And again, 5-3, right? Then again. Then we have this little riff. So we've got a series of slides, just using a power chord, right? Either your third finger or your fourth finger, whichever. God, I can't do it, so I use my little finger. So you're going to go 7 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Just with the power chord, and then third one. And the fourth one, in fact. So the third one is. Like that. You slide up. I would stay up with the third finger if you can. Just got that at the end. Okay, so we're going to go 3rd fret, slide up to the 7th. Then we go another little pull off to the E, right? Then crank up the volume or put your fuzz on if you need 2 pedals for it. It's the first 2 bars, and the 3rd and 4th time. Same as you played before, essentially. Subtle difference. As you play this on the first and third time. Second time though, you do octaves. Third time's very similar to the first. And then you're going to repeat the whole thing round from the beginning. All that stuff. But this time you just play one of these. And then twice with the fuzz tone. Then we have a little breakdown. That rings out for 2 bars, and then we go back in. That again. You do it 4 times this time. No new notes or anything in there. Then we have this. Got that going on. A little bit of palm muting mixed in the first couple of times, but without that, just the rhythm. Okay, so you're just playing, and then you play 3/5, and you slide up to the 7th fret. There though, you repeat the same part 3 times. And then it settles into this pattern. Third time though, it veers off a little bit. We play. That thing going on, and then we have something like that. And there's some cool fills over the top with some octave, I believe. It's probably a higher octave being played. So the first one goes like this. It's the first one. So we have, you could just play, but I think he's playing the low E maybe as well. And then we have next up we have again, same first part almost. That holds out for a beat. Then we move up to the sort of second pentatonic position. We have and then the last one goes 3, 4, 1. Slowly. Change position. Like that. Then the outro with the fuzz. And then you end on that. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.